In this video, I'm going to show you how to use models like Kimi K 2.6 and Minimax AM 2.7 for free inside VS Code without any API keys or any account creation, completely for free. And it will work for you if you're a freelancer or software developer or trying to create your own SaaS or your own coding projects. This will help you a lot. I will show you where these models perform the best and where they are still lacking. So let's get started. I will be using something known as black box AI, which actually lets you connect all models and all agents end to end. So what you need to do is just open your VS Code. And when you're here, go to extension, click over here and search for black box. And you want to download this one, the one with 2.7 million downloads, and click on install, trust and publish it. So it's now installing and the installation is done. So what we do over here, we'll just continue for free. And you see that black box is in your IDE now. It can navigate, edit, run commands and execute tests directly in your repo. So I'll just hit on next. I can chat with black box and I can turn to-dos into black box tasks. So let's get started. Now it does have a paid plan, but you don't need it. So you see at the bottom, you see the option of auto approval and make sure that it's on auto. Black box also has a built-in marketplace. So you can just click on the settings over here and click on MCP. Now you can connect any MCP server of your choice directly to this. It does provide you out of the box servers like Postman, LaunchDarkly, Desk Documentation, and many others. Apart from this, you can also configure your own MCP servers. And by clicking on configure MCP server, you can directly connect to the server that you want to add. Now let's come to the models part. So what you need to do is come down over here and click on select AI models. And you see that the free models Minimax M 2.7 and Kimi K 2.6 are available for you. Now let's just select Minimax 2.7 and let's give it a task. Create a modern SaaS landing page for me. My product is an AI API platform with a hero section, a pricing section, some testimonials, some FAQs, as well as modern technological futuristic theme with lots of animations and movements going on. And I'll hit send and you see that it has started thinking now and it's starting to work. And as you can see, it has started to create all of the files that are required. It does not work like a coding assistant where it creates a single file. It will create your entire project for you and truly works like an agent as how you would imagine Claude Code or Codex to work. And as you can see over here, it has finished working for me and look at all of the code it wrote for me. Now let me just show you what it created. So this is the landing page created for my product and it's pretty decent. Built with AI, a futuristic AI API that ships, truly nailing the hero section. And then you can see all of these CTS which are present, view pricing, where I can see entire pricing of the product, the starter, most popular, enterprise, and the testimonials which are added, the FAQs which are added. And then if I go back, go to the overview section again over here and you see like this entire streaming UI is present as well. It is designed for builders, shipping to production. It has streaming, evals, guardrails. I mean, all of the core features that you would expect from an API service provider platform. It has nailed those features over here. And this is something that you would not even use. You will obviously provide your own context, your own business context whenever you're trying to create a project of your own. This is just to show you the capabilities that it has for free. Now the point to note over here is that it handles these CRUD apps very easily and it will handle the standard boilerplate stuff as well. But if you push it too hard, like you go into a complex state management problem or an API integration with incomplete docs, those cases it will start to show some cracks. But then what you would do is you would switch to a different model provider, paid service provider if that's your requirement. But this works perfectly for someone like students who are trying to learn code. They will get a lot out of it. And if you're prototyping or building MVPs and you're hitting your rate limits, this is best for you. Freelancers who are doing some client sites and standard web apps can offload the repetitive parts over here and actually earn more profit margins. But if you're building complex production system, the free models are good enough to get you started, but they won't take you all the way through completion. But let's just take a step back. A year ago, free models were completely unusable. But look at where we are now. There is an extension available with 300 plus models available to you. There's real agent behavior present, terminal access, file creation, and an entire MCP marketplace for you. And the free tier is definitely usable. So make sure to try it out and share this video with your friends who might find this useful. Like this video and also subscribe to my channel for more such awesome tech content.